Good evening, everyone. My name is Danilo Isam Sandalang, and now I will explain to you what is the importance of the said literary works in the culture and history of the Philippines during the Spanish colonialization. Um, the works, the said work says that the works, explains the how we struggle in the Spanish colonization, how we fought each of us, what is the what is our status in that current situation. These literary books are important because they reflect struggles and aspiration on the Filipinos during the Spanish colonization. Now, if I will explain what is the importance of the said literary works, or are the content of the said literary works. First is the Itinatuan ni Jesus, critiques religious hypocrisy and highlights the conflict between faith and oppression. Second is Mahiganting Langit expresses the hope and dreams for freedom. Third is Urbana at Pilisa discuss the moral values and the role of the women from promoting education and social awareness. For the fourth is Pasyon Dapat Ipagpaalam, blends Christianity theme, the Filipino culture, fostering unity and resilience. Fifth is the Pag-ibig sa Tinumbang Lupa, encourages love for one country and inspires nationalism. Sixth is the ang dapat ma ang mabatid ng mga Tagalog, educates Filipino about their rights and responsibilities. Seven is the Liwanag sa Dilim, explores the struggles for knowledge and freedom. Overall, these works help us shape Filipino identity, critics colonialism, and inspire a sense of unity and independence. Um, that's all for my explanation. Thank you.